This shouldn't be possible. But some military technologies are becoming so advanced that they sound like science fiction. One of them can strike a target from thousands of miles away in minutes. Another can make decisions faster than any human commander. And the #1 technology could completely change the future of warfare forever. Today we're counting down the top 5 military technologies in the world, ranked from impressive to absolutely game-changing. Stay until #1, because it may become the most powerful military advantage in human history. Number 5. Directed energy weapons. For centuries, wars were fought with bullets, shells, missiles, and explosives. Now imagine destroying a target at the speed of light. Directed energy weapons, commonly known as laser weapons, do exactly that. Instead of launching physical projectiles, these systems focus enormous amounts of energy into a concentrated beam. The result is almost instantaneous engagement. No bullet travel time, no missile flight path, no explosive warhead, just energy. Modern military lasers are already being deployed to destroy drones, disable sensors, and intercept incoming threats. What makes them so impressive isn't just their accuracy, it's their economics. A missile interceptor may cost hundreds of thousands, or even millions of dollars. A laser shot can cost only a few dollars worth of electricity. Imagine spending millions attacking a ship only to have your drones vaporized by a beam of light that costs less than a cup of coffee. That reality is driving massive investments into laser defense systems around the world. But lasers are only the beginning. Number 4. Stealth technology. This technology literally makes billion-dollar machines disappear. Not physically, electronically. Stealth technology reduces the ability of radar systems to detect aircraft, ships, and other military assets. Modern stealth aircraft use specially designed shapes and materials that scatter radar signals away from their source. To enemy radar operators, the aircraft appears dramatically smaller than it actually is. Some may appear no larger than a bird. Others may disappear almost entirely until they're already overhead. Stealth changed warfare because detection is often more important than firepower. The first side to see the other usually gains the advantage. A stealth aircraft can enter hostile territory, gather intelligence, strike targets, and leave before defenders fully understand what's happening. Entire air defense systems can become ineffective if they cannot detect what they're supposed to stop. The ability to hide from advanced sensors has become one of the most valuable military advantages ever created. But hiding from radar isn't as revolutionary as what's next. Number 3. Hypersonic weapons. This technology breaks what most people think is possible. Hypersonic weapons travel faster than Mach 5. That's more than 5 times the speed of sound. Some systems travel much faster. At those speeds, a missile can cross enormous distances in minutes. But speed isn't the most dangerous part. Traditional ballistic missiles generally follow predictable paths. Defenders can estimate where they're going. Hypersonic weapons can maneuver during flight. They can change direction, adjust altitude, and make interception dramatically more difficult. Imagine trying to hit a target moving several thousand miles per hour while it's actively changing course. That's the challenge modern missile defenses face. The emergence of hypersonic technology has triggered a global race among major military powers. Every nation understands the same reality. If these weapons become widespread, they could fundamentally reshape strategic deterrence. Yet even hypersonics may soon be overshadowed by technology that doesn't need a human operator. Number 2. Autonomous drone swarms. Nobody explains this correctly. The future isn't one giant drone, it's thousands. Imagine looking into the sky and seeing a swarm of autonomous aircraft moving together like a flock of birds. Each drone communicates with the others. Each drone adapts to changing conditions. And the swarm continues operating even if many individual drones are destroyed. This concept changes warfare because it overwhelms traditional defenses. Missile systems are designed to stop a limited number of threats. Drone swarms could arrive in the hundreds or thousands. Some drones may conduct surveillance. Others may jam communications. Others may carry weapons. Others may act as decoys. And all of them can coordinate in real time. The swarm becomes a single intelligent system made of many independent machines. The loss of one drone doesn't matter. The mission continues. Military planners see enormous potential in autonomous swarms because they can perform dangerous missions while reducing risks to human personnel. But the technology at number 1 may eventually control every technology you've heard so far. Number 1. Artificial intelligence military systems. This is the technology that could change everything. Every second on a battlefield generates enormous amounts of information. Satellite imagery, drone footage, radar data, communications, sensors, weather conditions, target locations. Human commanders cannot process all of that information instantly. Artificial intelligence can. AI systems can analyze massive data streams in seconds. They can identify threats, predict enemy movements, recommend strategies, coordinate assets, and potentially manage operations at speeds no human organization can match. Imagine a future battlefield where thousands of drones communicate through AI. Missile defenses react automatically. Sensors identify targets instantly. Logistics systems predict supply shortages before they occur. And commanders receive recommendations based on millions of calculations happening every second. The nation that masters military AI could gain a decision-making advantage unlike anything seen before. Throughout history, victory often belonged to the side that could adapt faster. AI may become the ultimate adaptation engine. That's why many experts believe artificial intelligence is not just another military technology. It's the foundation upon which future military power will be built. So let's recap. At number 5, directed energy weapons brought the power of lasers to the battlefield. At number 4, stealth technology made military assets incredibly difficult to detect. At number 3, hypersonic weapons shattered traditional speed barriers. At number 2, autonomous drone swarms introduced entirely new ways of conducting military operations. And at number 1, artificial intelligence emerged as the technology that could eventually connect and control them all. The next generation of warfare may look nothing like the wars of the past. The technologies once imagined in science fiction are rapidly becoming reality. And the most surprising part is that we're only at the beginning. If you got any value out of this video, hit like and subscribe to Olson Engineering Solutions for more engineering and construction content every week.